Students are going to be doing that. This is their job. This is what they learn here. So yes, we're at the School for the Deaf and Blind. The focus right now are some for the blind students. I'm joined here with Kathy Bingham. You're one of the teachers here, and you are teaching life and independent skills, including cooking for some of your students.
Absolutely. At our campus program here, I get to teach a foods class 2 days per week, and they make their lunch as part of that process. And we start it from the start to the finish. So that includes reading our recipe, gathering our ingredients, preparing the food, cooking the food, eating the food, as well as washing our dishes.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so tell me just kind of the spectrum of students. So we speak of being blind. You have some that are maybe like low vision, some are completely blind, and you're incorporating all those type of students?
Absolutely right. Blindness is a spectrum, and so you can range from having low vision to no vision at all.
So tell some about the students here, maybe what their vision, what their skill levels are, and what they've been able to learn.
Awesome. So Isaiah that we're looking at there by Dylan, he has absolutely no vision at all. He has retinopathy of prematurity. However, Dylan has a lot of usable vision, so he would be considered a low vision student. So Dylan is like a fast tracker. He's been working on some of the recipes that require the cooktop, require the oven. However, Isaiah, we're starting a bit more foundational, and we're working on mastering small appliances such as the microwave, the George Foreman grill, and a toaster oven.
Oh, very nice. And then you also have some other tools to kind of help facilitate in their learning. Kind of showcase some of these little items here.
I love to. So since they don't have the vision that is like 20/20, they need some adapted tools. So Dylan, since he's low vision, would use a high contrast large print measuring cups and measuring spoons, whereas the other students that have no vision, we can get them measuring equipment with braille on it right there. Yeah. And then our awesome ALMC department can 3D print materials for us. This is a finger guard for when you're cutting, so you can tuck your fingers away behind here, and then you can use the knife, use it as a guide to cut, and you don't have to worry about cutting those fingers.
Very interesting here. Now, we're going to go over to Cheyenne, who got the great job of having to wash up the dishes. How did you get that job, Cheyenne?
Well, because I am a pretty fast, I've been washing dishes ever since I was a little girl, so I've been doing it for a long time now. So I'm a pretty quick, fast washing of dishes. So I am currently washing a bowl right now.
Nice. So you're doing a great job. You've got skills. So it's amazing to see all the things that they learn here, and of course the school, what they provide in teaching them real life skills, what they can do, and they can go out, of course, on their own and do these things. So it's amazing to see what's being taught here. Of course, we're going to show you all morning long. Good job, Cheyenne. She doesn't mind having the dishwashing job.
No, I don't mind it at all because it's really good experience. Plus, you get your hands dirty when you cook anyway, so your hands are kind of getting clean by doing the dishes.
I like that outlook there. That's what makes this a cool school. It's the great outlook.
Yes, it does.
Great attitude. We'll send it back to you guys.